Good evening and happy Friday, everybody. It's the ice tinkling in my glass of Glenfodry on the rocks. I thought I'd do something a little different tonight. I usually don't like to talk in my videos, but tonight, let's go over some things that I've recently purchased. This is the large brown leather pick case from, what was that, Southern Specialties, I think. Let me check real quick. Yes, from Southern Specialties at lockpicktools.com. I thought that it would be a little bigger, because this is the case that I have from Sparrows for the Vorax set of picks, and it's got lots of room in it. I really like this case, but I absolutely love leather. I love the smell of leather. I'm the kid that always had his nose buried in his baseball glove. Anyway, I've decided I'm going to use this leather one to hold my Petersen picks. I really, really enjoy the Petersen Gem. Got one of those in 25 thousandth, 18 thou, and over here in 15 thousandths. So, just for a size comparison, it's a little narrower, just a tad shorter, but I like it. Anyway, so there's that. I also got this pick from them. Their laminated wavy handle, and this is their, sorry, there it is, their half diamond hybrid, which I really like as well. I really like the one from Sparrows too. Come on, focus. There you go. So, the lock that has been confounding me lately is a cheap little $9 maximum security Ace laminated lock with 4 security pins. And I've been really trying to pick it for a good day and a half here, and I am still trying to wrap my head around security pins. So, lock works. This is the bitting on it. Not that terrible. But for some reason, I've been having trouble getting a feel for the pins. So what do I do with that? So let's use the Petersen Gem. One try through, I will get it pretty quick. The next time, I wind up oversetting everything. Can't do squat. There's a little counter rotation there. And I think I've overset something. Maybe. Start over. Get a little more scotch. So tasty. Let's set that in there a little better. Come on. Nope. Start again. I don't understand this lock. There's a little rotation. Nope. It's frustrating. You think that a little $9 Ooh, did I get it? Yes, finally. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Let me close that up. Wash, rinse, repeat. Gotta practice. Have a good evening, everyone.